Good morning and welcome to today's morning report on Monday the 23rd of January. Me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. We've got a fairly interesting market open actually. You've got negative equities and also positive safe haven flows. The dollar is under pressure. All this is coming about after Donald Trump's inauguration speech on Friday, which contained a very much of a protectionist rhetoric, sort of talking about America first, talking about how countries were stealing their jobs and how they were going to protect their borders. So the markets have taken this negatively today as Europeans have sort of taken hold. Dollar is under pressure and the equity markets are lower. So let me just show you the dollar. Dollar's fallen back away, and that's come as treasury yields have fallen lower. And the 10-year, although it's actually on for lows of the day, 10-year, but the 2-year is also lower. So the dollar is under pressure, and that is interesting that that is a sort of a driver of the dollar correction today. Also, equity markets, as I said, commodity prices in terms of gold and silver both higher. That is, gold is certainly a safe haven flow, and the yen is the big outperforming of the major currencies today. So much beyond Trump, there's not a great deal to look out for today. You've got a little bit of Eurozone consumer confidence at 3 o'clock, but much beyond that, nothing really on the agenda. Now we've got the chart today, which is the Euro Aussie today. I looked at the Euro Aussie because basically it's been trading, I suppose you could argue, in this sideways range. You had a marginal sort of upside break that was false, and you could see another downside break that was false out of this range. So not only that, you've broken this downtrend, you've got the momentum indicators which are ticking higher, the stochastics have crossed higher, MACD lines are bottoming, RSI turning higher, and this is the second bull candle day in a row. We've broken a sequence of lower highs on the daily candles, and it's interesting that we got a strong bull candle Friday. It looks to be building up into a strong bull candle today, and that is sort of turning around this outlook. As I said, we've broken that downtrend. We're trading above the moving averages on the hourly chart. We've got a configuration which is much more positive on the MACD lines and the RSI and stochastics. It's all looking more positive, so sort of near-term buying into any sort of corrective moves. We've got a little breakout above that resistance at sort of 41.75. That's become sort of a basis of support early today. So anything towards that is probably a buying opportunity. 41.30 is a reaction low from overnight as well, and the old lows as well. So it looks as though we're building a sequence of higher lows now around this 21-hour moving average, which is 41.80. At the moment, you'd need a break above 42.55 to really get the upside momentum on this recovery, but it certainly looks as though it's sort of turning around once more within this range, and the euro is beginning to strengthen against the Aussie once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.